Okay, ladies, it's Coach Art, and I'm back again with yet another workout. I am back with these chest flies. Let's get into them. Demonstrating chest flies 3 different ways, starting first off on the floor, but the method will be the same whether you're on the floor, the bench, or the incline bench. You're going to inhale and slowly lower dumbbell in an arc motion until they're in line with the chest. Your arms will be extended to the sides, but not locked out. Don't drop your arms lower than your shoulders. Exhale and slowly press the dumbbells up in the same arc motion. I typically recommend super light weights, starting off with somewhere between 5 pounds, working your way up to 10 pounds until you truly get that motion. You're working that chest, those pec muscles. Wait a minute. You need to stop what you're doing right now. You need to like, comment, and subscribe and share with someone that can benefit from this video. Important thing to note, make sure you're pressing your back against that bench, or if you're on the floor, you don't want to create a significant arch. You really want to make sure you're using those pec muscles. A few common mistakes you want to avoid is locking out your arms, overstretching, lifting too heavy and improper body position, and going down too fast. If you have questions, drop them below. Thanks for watching.